Good morning, Stuart. I've produced this video for you because next Monday I'm going to be away on holes. We also have a problem is that our Microview Sol is actually out on rental, doesn't come back until next week. And I've got your parts, I wanted to get this out of the way for you prior to my absence next week. So what we've done is you've given us 4 parts. I've got the most involved one on the system to start with. I wanted to show you this first because it's the one that takes the longest time. You would probably sample this, I'm sure, but let me just show you before I do this. Here's the printout of the results, and what I've done is created one program for one square and then I've copied them in essence. And you can see on the screen here we've got things like the circle S1, I've got the XY position and the diameter, and it's showing that S1 is in spec, and so is S2, S3, S4, etc. Then we've got some lengths, etc. And then it goes on to S2. Now we haven't done absolutely everything on this. The point is we can see all the features quite easily, so creating the dimensions that you need isn't a problem. Now this is on a Vertex. We've obviously quoted Sol. The difference is basically this is an automated system. You're asking about a manual system. The zoom lens is the same, the lighting is the same, the software is the same. The only difference is you'll move the stage by hand wheels, this moves it automatically, and in some respects it makes it quicker to show you anyway. So I'm going to run this, but I'm going to stop it as well. Because it goes on a little bit and I want to show you the others as well. So the idea on this is it finds the edge of the part. So you can see I've got it on a little fixture here. So it just finds the part, and then what it does is it's basically bisecting the holes in order, so you can see it's bisecting. There you go, look, and it's just measuring away. So it's quite easy to do, hole positions, edges, etc. And it's just working away. And if you look at the screen here, look, you can see where it's moving about. With the manual system, this will point you in the direction of where you got to go. So you'll drive to that point, you'll drive to the next point, you'll drive to the next point, and so on. So look, this is just a repeat. It takes a while. I'm going to stop this now, just so we can show you the other parts. Okay, so look, I'm going to take that one off. We've got this part, which is probably the most simplest of the lot. Again, just pop it into the fixture, go File, Open. Which one is it? I think it's that one. There you go. So there's your part. Now this program will run on the Sol. I mean, I've programmed it for you now. The idea here is, if you look right down the bottom, I've got all your lengths and distances set up as per your drawing. So let me just run the program again. So here we go. It will run automatically. Again, if it was a manual system, it would just point you in the direction of where you got to move, and then you'll press the foot switch button and it will measure for you. So it's just finding the extremities of it now, changes the lighting so we find the middle of the dots, and you can see it moving about. Again, as I say, as a manual system, you would just be moving. It's just now moving line, 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 in order to give you the spacing and the distances that you're looking for. And that's it, that's the program. I've got this set up on reporting as well. So here's your program. We've toleranced the features as well, so you can see everything's in spec apart from this 5mm edge here. It should be 5mm and I think 2.54 on the corner. This is the edge here, and it's been coming out oversized. Whether I've got the right tolerancing, I don't know. But anyway, it works easily enough, and you can see that that's quite easily done. Okay, so that's the next part. If I take that one off, and if I put this one on now, so pop him on. Same idea, you've got holes and you've got edges. I'm going to go File, Open. Is it that one? No, File. So it must be that one. Oh no, it's not that one. So it must be that one. Yes, there we go. So again, run the program. Off we go. Finds us the edge, exactly the same as before. So we're just literally setting up a datum. Now it measures all the holes I've asked it to do. So you can see it measuring the holes. Can you see that on the screen? Again, it would just direct you with a foot switch just to move to the point and measure the hole, so you're not going to have to be too fussy. And then it's going to measure the edge, and then it's going to measure again the edge, the lasered positions for you. And that's the end of the program. Again, here's all your distances. Again, if I go to File, Reporting, here's all your data. Look, you can see it's pretty much all in spec on that. And then obviously we could export it to your SPC data, which will go automatically in. So last part is this hexagonal part. Again, what we've done is we've written a program for one, and then we've copied it. So if I just go File, I think it's that one, isn't it? Yes, there you go. Same idea, just run it again. Makes the datum. We'll measure the rad in the corner. Now we're measuring around the extremities of the part. And then we can measure things like the cutouts, the squares, the slots, etc. in one go. So we can get the length and the width and all that sort of stuff quite easily. There you go, so measuring those holes, measuring those slots, etc. All very straightforward, and they're all a repeat, as I say. So we do one and then just copy the rest across. Whether you would measure all of them is debatable. You might just sample it, but the principle is exactly the same. And as I say, the data would be exported automatically into your data collection software. So we'll just let this finish off so you can see. So it does the 6 parts. And there you go. And that's it finished. Again, here's your reporting. So we toleranced all the features up. Oh, we didn't tolerance the features up in here. Actually, let me just show you the results here. So again, you can see all the data is being popped into here. I didn't tolerance these up for some reason and set them up to be exported, but the principle is exactly the same as the others. So based on the parts that you've sent me, I don't see any problem. You could actually use these programs that I've written on the SOL and they will work. I think the lighting is no problem, the edges are no problem. Yeah, I think that this will work very well for you. Hope that's of use. If you've got any questions, please email me back. Thank you.